I'm sure everybody who would be listening to this already knows that the concept of a raised bed covered with plastic makes sense now, but it wasn't always the case. The early 1970s, the University of Florida, IFAS, and the ag extension agents were experimenting with covering beds with plastic, different kinds of plastic, different compositions. But the end result was that it gave the farmer a much more controlled environment for the plant bed. It did the rate of absorption of fertilizer, disease control, pest control, vastly increased the yield that vegetable growers were getting. Kennco was right at the cusp and being at the right time in the right place. We made a few friends at the University of Florida, and with, in some cases, their guidance, in most cases with the guidance of customers who wanted to improve their yields, we developed bed presses, plastic laying machines. Some of our earlier plastic laying machines looked kind of silly compared to what we do now, and ended up evolving generation after generation to now we have multiple rows of plastic laying, multiple machines, meaning we can make a bed, press it off, and lay plastic all at the same time, even while putting down irrigation tape. All these things were not thought of back then. So it was an evolutionary thing. And I think I can fairly say that if you use raised beds covered with plastic, it came from this business 50 years ago coming to the current time and degree of sophistication.